Hi guys, it's just me. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel, Sarah Mack Art. So before we get into today's pour, usually you just see my hands. So I decided I would show my face for this little announcement. So my announcement is that I have started a Patreon account, and you can be a Smackin' supporter, a Smackin' Galaxy, or a Smackin' Ninja. And with those levels, the link is below and you can check out the different levels. But in the Smackin' Galaxy level, you will also receive a smack stick. And I'm going to show that to you now. So let me see, where is it? There it is. So you can see it's all engraved, and on the other side, right there on the tiny tip, is Smack, my logo. And then, so you get those with the Galaxy signups, and then for the Ninja signups, you get the Smack stick as well as the Smack swiper. This also has my logo, and so those are your gifts for each of those levels. Again, please check out my Patreon account down below in the video description box. I'd love to welcome you aboard. In addition to that, there is a private Facebook group where you will see early stages of art and sneak peeks of upcoming pieces and go from there. So I appreciate you all here on my channel today to see what I pour. I'll be talking to you in the video description box, whichever way it is. I think it's over this way. So hello to you all. Consider being a Patreon of my account. And what else? I don't know. I'm just really excited to meet you all. Thank you all for being here. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you are not, for upcoming content. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm working on that I can't wait to show you all. Ring the bell if you want a notification when I post a new video. And if you think you're subscribed, just double check, because sometimes YouTube just boots people and goes from there. But you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for joining us today. Bye. Oh, one more thing. I want to thank Kelly Stoll of Feral Art for this wonderful gift. If you did not know or didn't see on Facebook, Kelly came to the studio and we painted for quite some time and created some beautiful pieces. It was so much fun, but she brought me a gift and I think I almost cried. I was like so excited. And for those of you who know why, after you see this, then you know why. But I will explain either way. So first, here it is. Thank you so much, Kelly. And the date is 2019. So this is the original Artist Loft Flow acrylic, and Michael's no longer distributes that or makes it anymore, some new recipe with the soft body, so I've been working with that. But I know lots of artists are sad that it's gone, but it is kind of a key ingredient to my signature Galaxy pours, the technique that I have done a lot of. And so I'm really looking forward to opening this and diving in and using it. And I just want to say how incredibly grateful I am, Kelly, and I want to thank you. You're wonderful. If you guys want to check out Kelly's channel, she's got a new channel out there, and she'd really love some love and support as well. Her link to her videos, or her channel for that matter on YouTube, is below as well. All right, let's get us down on the canvas. See you soon. So I actually also want to make an announcement that at the next FAB, and when that happens, we are going to be learning the new recipe for the Galaxy pour. I'm super excited for this. I have 8 colors and my white. So I have some leftover white for my flow extender there. I don't want to use my special mix in this piece, but what I am using is that Artist Loft Flow acrylic that Kelly brought me. So it's my usual mix with that. So we will see how it goes. It is very warm in the studio, so we will do our thing. All right, so we're gonna start layering the cup. And we have my white mixed 2-to-1 with a small amount of satin enamel in there. We are gonna come in with some of the Permanent Violet Dark by Goldens. And then I'm gonna back that up with some Fire Opal. And this is the Folk Art. Let me just pull that out for you guys so you guys can see which one it is. I'm not sure if this is even available to be gotten anymore, but I have a bunch of this and hopefully I haven't used it in a while, so we'll see how it does in this pour. And then we're gonna come in with a little bit of this new paint color that I got, and it is called Pearlized Dark Blue. It's kind of like the Blue Black by Pebeo, but it doesn't dry a different color. We have Pebeo's Iridescent Green Blue. We have Cobalt Blue mixed with some Brushed Metallic Sapphire. We're gonna actually, let's do some gold here. We're gonna bump it with some of my regular white mix. And let's see here. We'll come in here. And then we're gonna come in with the Pink Flash. Some of the white. Fire Opal. Permanent Violet. And that's what we're gonna do. So my paints are very thick, which is my thing. And no, it does not crack, but let's see how we do here. We're gonna actually, I'm just gonna put this puddle here. And we're gonna get ready to paint. Almost kind of want to come off of this side, so let's just turn this. results of this board. Pardon my light glare, but you've got to see these colors in here are like amazing. And we've got the boulder cells that come along with the galaxy pour. And I think this piece, oh, I love all these lines in here. And it's kind of crazy electric and cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's pour. You have a wonderful day. And remember, my Patreon is below. You can sign up, get a couple of gifts if you'd like. If not, not a big deal. Please like and subscribe. It does help. Give a thumbs up or even share the videos. It's free. You guys have a great day. Bye for now.